to another Shaving with Serge, and today is an unboxing. Yeah, all right. So this is from Dark Sanctum, and this is what I ordered, and this was a nice surprise. Well, somewhat surprise. This was sent from Vacca. Hope I'm saying it right. I'm bad at things like this, but he told me he wanted to surprise me and he had mailed something out, but because my apartment number was forgotten, I forgot to put that in, I guess, my return address. And so it kind of ruined the surprise, but I'm super stoked. What could it be? All right, so let's start off with the Dark Sanctum one. The Dark Sanctum one, and my knife is in here. Let me grab it, and it's back. I'm back. You guys all right? Just kidding. And a little excited, can't you tell? This is like kid in a candy store, kid opening presents on Christmas Day. That's exactly what it's like. Ooh, and I got some extra goodies in here. So thank you, Dark Sanctum. Thank you, Jose. Extra goodies thrown in is always a nice surprise, a nice treat, and somewhat a surprise because he did tell me he threw in some extra goodies, but I just didn't know what they were. So this is a skull pin. Check it out, 3D printed. You know, that's what Dark Sanctum specializes in, is 3D prints. Super cool. Love skulls. Duh, right? And I got this, got a cool logo magnet bottle cap. There it is. Boom. Oh yeah. And RIP. Tombstone keychain. I'm gonna put that on my work keys. Just hanging from my side. Rest in peace. And awesome, look at that. Look at his little business card he made. Shaped in the shape of a casket. Super cool. There's his information. Stalk him, harass him. Most importantly, support. All right, so you guys knew I just gave away my skull bowl. And congratulations to Wolf Ranger. He's been a very loyal subscriber for a while, and he genuinely watches my videos and comments, and I can tell by his comments, he genuinely watches them and enjoys them. And the reason I gave that out, I wanted to give back, and of course, I was going to replace it. You think I was gonna give away my skull bowl and just be without it? Definitely not. Check this out, 3D printed, the satin black. Ooh, it's gorgeous in black. Look at that. And it seems like it's actually smoother than my last one. The print on this one it came out better. I know Jose said he did change up some techniques on it, and it's all computer mumbo jumbo coding and stuff that I don't understand. And but look at that, it's super cool. So I did change the color, and I removed the bumps, and that was all my personal preference. I changed the color because a white skull and white lather, I prefer a color so I can see my lather better. So that was one change. And the other change was the bumps. Is that what I'm realizing is the bigger the texture is on bowls, for me, and I'm not the best bowl lather. I admit that, you probably hear me say it all the time. I notice I get soap that doesn't get broken down and it left behind after I'm done with the lather. So I was having a little issue with that on that bowl, and I've encountered that with different bowls that have too many too big bumps or too big engraves in it. I'm just not able to break down it the soap easily. So this, I said, let's do with no bumps because it already does have lines and texture. That should be good enough. So I'm super stoked. Check that out. The Dark Skull Shaving Bowl. Yeah, all right. So, shave of the day, this. And dude, thank you, man. Thank you. Super cool because, you know, just the generosity that he decided to send me something. And I have no idea what it is. So let's open it up. All right. And I forgot to cut that part. All right. Nice. So I got some soaps. and a splash, and I am super stoked. So I got Sterling soaps, Ozark. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Genuinely appreciate it. I got Ozark and Peach. And the peach after splash. Dude, really, really appreciate it. That is so cool of you. Look at that. Ooh, smells just like peach. Woo. All right, and I got a nice little note in here. And Jay, he was the winner of my shaving mug on one of my giveaways. And so, yeah, he just wanted to give back. I'm not gonna read it out loud. I'm skim reading this. And I got a nice note, brother. Thank you. I'm gonna read this. I skimmed through. I'm gonna read this more right now off camera. I'm like that. Same thing with birthday cards, Christmas cards. People want me to read them. I'm just like, I'll read it on my own time. I don't want to read it out loud to everybody. All right. So peach from Sterling, and it's mentholated. A mentholated peach. Nice. Can't wait to try this out. Perfect time, perfect weather, right? And Ozark. I don't know what the scent on this one is. This woody, very might be mentholated too, or it might just be the menthol stuck in my nostrils from smelling that one. No, this one's not mentholated. But it's like it's a woody, darker scent. It's cool. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I don't know what the scent notes are. I can't pick it off individually, but it's like this woody, darker scent, very outdoorsy. Super stoked. And that's my unboxing. And definitely cannot wait to try this stuff out. Appreciate it, guys. I'll see you guys. Shave of the day probably coming tomorrow because I'm kind of lazy today. All right, laters.